This is Fox News at 9.
More than 19 million new sexually transmitted infections occur every year in the United States, and almost half of those happen to people under 25. That's why doctors and health professionals are pushing people to get tested.
And as our ERIN NICHOLS explains, there are barriers standing in the way.
It's never a comfortable topic.
Carmellyn Britt is opening up, sharing her story of why she needed to get an STD test.
I was in a bad relationship and I had made some mistakes, but I just wanted peace of mind.
So she started asking around and quickly found out it was going to cost her.
I believe it was like at least $200.
Because of the cost, Carmellyn decided not to follow through with testing.
I feel like everyone should know what their status is. And if you have to pay so much, that can kind of, turn people away because they don't want to spend that much.
With health insurance, testing will likely cost you anywhere from $10 to $30 a test. But without health insurance, testing could cost hundreds of dollars.
We see a lot of patients.
Charity Farrar is the executive director of Life Choices Medical Clinic, a nonprofit Christian health clinic that provides low-cost STD testing and treatment, regardless of whether an individual has health insurance.
We want to be sure that they can afford to come in and be tested so that they can be very proactive in their health.
Farrar says last year the clinic saw about 400 patients just for STD testing.
I know a lot of our patients would not be treated if we weren't here. They would just not find out because it is so expensive.
Just months ago, San Antonio experienced an outbreak of syphilis cases, and before that, the city was at epidemic levels.
3 years ago here in San Antonio, we were really struggling. We were one of the worst in the country.
Dr. Anil Mengla with the San Antonio Metropolitan Health District says a lack of testing related to cost and convenience of testing, along with fear, contributed to the high rates of infections.
I think we still have stigma. People are still very scared about talking about STD or being identified as STD or HIV.
But thanks to some policy changes, Mengla says the rates of chlamydia, gonorrhea, and syphilis are declining. Metro Health began offering free STD testing at more locations and added on targeted treatment methods.
When we identified these individuals, we tested them and treated them right in the field, instead of waiting for them to come back to the clinic.
As for Carmellyn, she found help with Life Choices Medical Clinic and got tested. She's perfectly healthy and now has peace of mind. She encourages others to do their research.
Be careful and know your status.
ERIN NICHOLS, Fox News at 9.
We made it easy for you to find places you can visit for low cost or free testing. We've got a map and a list of locations right on our website. Head to foxsanantonio.com and click on news links.